Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and here in Greenhouse World it's week 13, moving into week 14, and that means it's time for us to start planting our Envee Kits. Now, what is an Envee Kit? If you're new here or haven't shopped with us before, you might not know what Envee Kits are. They are beautifully designed containers in the shallow little pot for you to take home and transplant into your larger containers at home. The concept for Envee Kits was all created by my daughter Paige. She's excellent in container design, and we needed a solution for our customers. So we use this shallow little pot. It is actually called a plant pie. Here in Canada, we buy these containers from HGS Wholesale. It is called a plant pie. This is about 3 inches deep and about 11 inches across. All of our Envee Kits are planted into these containers. Now, what makes this amazing is that if you already have really nice planters at home or just really good planters you like to use every year, you can just buy the Envee Kit and transplant it easily into your container at home, saving you from having to choose all different kinds of bedding plants and then hope that they look good together and grow well together. We have designs that are for sun and for shade. Today we're going to be planting Cecilia. Now, Cecilia can do kind of sun and shade. It would do really well in morning sun with a little bit of break in the afternoon, just so we don't get a sunburn on the begonias. But if you have a shady area, even on your south side, it would be just fine. So we have beautiful tones in this, and this is what we're going to plant. Let's get started. We always start with fertilizer, even in the Envee Kits. Next, we water it in. We have several dibble boards that are just for Envee Kits. You can see they all have 9 plants in them. So every single one of these container designs has 9 plants. Now, why would we put it in this shallow pot instead of just a container? 1, greenhouse space. We have more room to put the plant pies in the greenhouse. And 2, if you already have a planter at home, you're going to spend more money on buying a new pot every year. This way, you can continue reusing the pots you have and just plop this into the container you have. For the Envee Kits, we don't have a book. Maybe that will come one day, but we do have internal container designs that we use, and this is nicely laminated so that when we water it, which I just did, it's not going to crumble apart. So we use this as our planting guide so anyone on our team can plant these. We're going to start off with a peach colored impatient. Now this is called Color Power, and they can take a bit of sun or shade. We plant them opposite of each other. Next is another impatient. At this stage, they look the same, but this is Color Power Orange. Again, a really beautiful color. We actually got these as a trial from one of our suppliers one year. We loved it so much. Paige made it into one of her Envee Kits. Now, across this line of 3 in the middle, we're going to add nonstop begonias. These are deep salmon. This is a very salmon and orangey toned container. Now, begonias always bloom the direction of the point. So we're going to make sure to plant that begonia outside, this begonia pointing that direction, and this one's going to point towards you at the front. Now this way, no matter which way you put this in your container, you're still going to get to enjoy all the blooms. The vine we're adding to this is called Plectranthus guacamole. It's got these beautiful yellow and green tones. And the last plant to add is this beautiful coleus. It's called Main Street Sunset Boulevard. It's a pretty tall plug. Sometimes things come pre-cut, sometimes they don't. We're definitely going to pinch that. We want this to get bushy. So there is the first Envee Kit of the season. And although it looks tiny and puny and small now, by mid-May, this is going to be just a nice mushroom cap of growth and flowers and foliage and ready to transplant at home. We add a tag that tells you what's in there. And then hopefully we'll have all of these in stock. They're supposed to have a post with a tag, but I just ordered them last week, so we'll see what happens. Our supplier's really good, but I should have had the order in earlier. Again, you're only going to find these here at Deb's Greenhouse because my daughter Paige invented the entire program. So thank you for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this. Bye guys.